Hello, this is Gerardo from the Cisco Enterprise Switching team. In this video, I describe how to use the serviceability PoE tools available on the Catalyst 9K switches. This will help you understand how the feature works and how to troubleshoot it. Power over Ethernet. PoE is a function commonly used in the access layer. It allows devices to be powered using Ethernet technology without the need for an external power source. This feature is used frequently in the industry. In this video, we will use debug to show the negotiation process between a power device PD and the switch. A Cat6 Ethernet cable and Cisco IP phone model 8945 will be used. PoE is enabled by default, therefore, once the PD is connected to the switch, they will begin the PoE negotiation. First, using the LLDP protocol, and then, if the endpoint supported, using the CDP protocol. Depending on the negotiation, they'll agree on the type of class and the power assigned to the PD based on the IEEE standards. Using debug, we can see this negotiation. Once the negotiation is complete, the switch grants power to the PD. The first step is to enable the debugs assigned for PoE. These logs are generated when a PD device is connected to the switch and start negotiating. To observe the negotiation, we can use the following debugs: debug il power event and debug il power powerman. The prefix il power means inline power, which is the agent dedicated to PoE. Then we need to plug in a PD, which can be a phone, camera, tablet, etc. And information about events and chain in inline power state machine will be displayed. To see this information, we will use the console login buffer. Type show login command. Here we can see the interaction of the switch communicating with the PD device. State shut off event means start detection. State detecting event means IEEE class don't be detected. A state PD detected event means that the requested power from the PD is provided. When using debug power powerman, it provides information about the allocation of initial power, change in power allocation due to the exchange CDP LLDP packets, and change in ICOT thresholds. Please note that if many PoE devices are connected to the switch, this debug process will consume a significant amount of CPU resources. Il power interface ID power status shows the allocated power. Il power interface ID power negotiation shows the consumption power. The following show commands help to validate the result of the negotiation and the current operation of the endpoint. If we use the show power inline command, we get a summary of the devices that are using PoE. It also provides details of the available, use, and remain power of the switch for PoE. To check additional PoE information for a specific interface, we can run the command show power inline interface ID detail. Device type shows if PD is IEEE compliant, then it will show up as a IEEE PD with discover IEEE class. IEEE class shows the class that was assigned based on the negotiation that took place previously. Policy shows if there is any policy restricting the use of PoE on the port. Actual consumption shows the power draw and measurement of the current power use and the initial power required by the power device. Power negotiation shows if the negotiation was through LLDP and provide details about layer 2 power negotiation. If known, it means the device operates based on the layer 1 classification. If CDP, then power is negotiated by CDP protocol. If LLDP, the power is negotiated by LLDP protocol and negotiation. Last section of the output shows UPoE details if PoE is enabled on spare pair. To confirm the PoE or inline controllers are working correctly, run the show pause command and verify the result of the test is passed. To isolate the issue, you can validate if an issue only happens with a specific PD device. Validate if an only happens when a specific number of ports. Confirm that the PD device is IEEE compliant, as the Catalyst 9K switches strictly follow that standard. If the PD device is not fully IEEE compliant, there may be unexpected behaviors in the negotiation. This concludes the procedure. Please check the Cisco Tag video portal for more video content. Thank you for watching.